Good morning, guys, from Bali. We have just been chilling for the past few days. However, today we are doing something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. We are going to be going to Sidemen in Bali to make rings together. So, like out of silver, and it's like a workshop, and we completely make the whole thing ourselves.
So we are waiting to get picked up. We are using a Raise Bali tour. Every time when we're in Bali, we always get in contact with Dicky. They are super friendly. The price is very reasonable. And yeah, they also plan amazing itineraries. Like last time we used them, we went to Java, Indonesia, and we literally just road tripped everything.
We'll put the link in the description and the contact information if you want to use Raise Bali Tour.
So let's go. Alright guys, so we have finally arrived after an hour and a half drive from Canggu. We have arrived at Agung Silver.
And we are going to make our rings. I'm so excited. I'm just going to have a look at some designs and see what I do, because I don't know what I want until I'm going to look at some examples. You know what you want,
Yeah,
right?
I think I low-key know what I want, but I don't know, because sometimes I just change my mind last minute.
So yeah, let's have a look at what our possible designs could be.
How long have you been doing this?
Making jewelry. Now totally I am making jewelry now all business. Now this melting the silver. This is 30 grams.
30 grams.
30 grams, but not all yes.
Right, so now I'm melting the silver using this kind of thing. What is this called?
Yeah, perform.
Purpom?
Yeah, for wind.
For the wind. So it normally takes about 10 minutes to burn the silver, is that right?
Yeah,
10 minutes.
different up to your power you put. And your power fast,
Yeah.
and then more quick melting.
Ah,
And slow maybe 1 hour.
it's actually quite tiring. Leg day, this is your exercise.
Yes, every day. Like this. Strong leg.
Yeah. Right, so Zoe's turn now.
Power, more power.
Ooh, you're going quicker. How's it, Vic?
I'm better than you. Look. I'm making all the progress here.
Is it tiring though?
No, I'm good.
You're good?
I'm an athlete.
Oh my god. I've actually done it. Obviously I started it at first.
Is it done?
Not
More
yet.
power, more
Keep
power.
going.
More power. Not yet. Continue. More power.
Wow.
More power. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, more power.
Keep going. Ooh.
Stop.
Stop.
Wow.
Call me a jewelry maker. Wow.
Oh, that's dried up so quick.
Wow. How does it dry so quick?
Yes, good. Now you can put more.
Ooh.
It's cold already?
Warm little bit, not cold, but can take this.
Oh no, that's hot.
Is that hot?
Yeah. We made this, guys. That is silver.
5 grams of silver.
This is 30 grams.
Oh,
30
30
grams.
grams
30
of
grams
silver.
of silver.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
Doesn't feel like 30 grams.
Right, so this is the design that we've picked. It's like it all battered up with patterns. Apparently this is the popular one. Look at that. It's so shiny. So cool.
It's weird to think that started off as just little like beads and now
Yeah.
it's like a stick of thick silver. Okay, so if you want to do this, it costs 450,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, which is around £26, and that is for 5 grams of silver to make the ring. If you want a bigger ring, any extra 1 gram costs an extra 50,000 rupiah per gram. So yeah, if you want to do it, that's how much it costs. And we picked our design, we've gone for the same one, and then we're going to engrave something in the middle, but I'm still deciding what I'm going to engrave on mine. But I'm so excited.
So Agung has been doing this for 30 years. He's been doing it since he was 11 or 12, I'm not sure. And then he worked for a little bit with other companies. And then he started his own business, which is where we are now, called Agung Silver. And it's been up for 20 years. And he started doing the lesson after 5 years. So the lesson has been going on for like 15 years basically. So yeah, it's crazy though. Wow. And he actually get the silver from Borneo or Lombok, am I right? So yeah, that's so cool. So cool. So after beating it up with a hammer, just to keep it straight, we are now burning it. So if you have a look at this, just dip it.
Ooh.
Nice.
What noise?
No, it's not. Just joking, my friend.
So cool. Wow.
Like, almost like a white coating.
Yeah.
And it's way longer now. So I was way better at melting, Zara was way better at the hammering. So all in all, we're the perfect team for making starting a jewellery shop, really. But yeah, so we've just hammered it down, made it way straighter and like along the sides it's flatter. And then we've just heated it up in a even hotter pot and then dunked it in more, what is the liquid?
More water, just water.
Just water.
Yeah.
And then it cools it down straight away. So that's crazy. Yeah.
They're putting it in there, and then Zoe's doing all the work here, just to make it a bit more smaller, thinner and longer, basically. Alright, so now we're gonna design our ring before we cut it. Okay, so it all started with this small and thick, but now look at this, and I can actually easily bend it. So cool. So now we're just lining up to get it all designed. So we're just picking the ring size. I don't even know what size I am, but it depends on what finger. So I'm gonna get it on my thumb. So I think this one's alright. That one's alright, isn't it? Not too big, and then kind of like.
Now pat it down. Oh, that side.
You're gonna break it. Okay. So we're just putting the pattern now.
I'm not. I've gone out of. I've ruined the pattern. The pattern has definitely changed throughout, but I like it. It's cool. It's unique.
So here's mine at the moment.
Okay.
So in the middle, inside of the ring, we got engraved the sun and the moon. So on each side, there's a sun and the moon. Because baby, you're my sun and moon. So they use this metal to seal the ring, so it's one basically.
I like this. Quack special solder. Like this, no glue. No glue. Yes. No glue. Yes, no glue.
So first, when it's hot, they then dip it on the acid water and then normal water. So the acid water is the one that makes it white. So cool. It's fascinating.
Size check.
Size check, perfect.
Wow.
Look at that.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do actually.
It's not ready yet, but nearly.
Very good. Alright guys, so our rings is now done. Look at that.
So
It's beautiful.
you can get like gems and stones
Yeah.
and things, but I thought because we're traveling, I didn't want to get something that I could like damage.
Yeah.
So I went for something that's quite like durable,
Mm.
and it looks kind of like rustic, which is like perfect for traveling.
Yeah.
And then we got the sun
It's like vintage.
and the moon. I don't know if you
Mm.
can see that.
I don't know if you can see the sun and the moon.
It's so cool, such a good
It's
experience,
amazing.
guys. You got to do it.
So if you're ever in Bali, make sure to come here in Sidemen and go to Agung Silver.
Zah had a smile on his face the whole time, like he was
Yes.
so interested. The
It's so
entire time.
fascinating just watching them making the rings, because it all started with the little stick, basically, little silver
It started
stick.
with little pearls.
Oh,
little balls of
yes,
silver.
little pearls, little silver pearls, and then turned into a stick, and then next minute,
Got a ring.
got a ring. It's crazy. Bam!
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video off here. We had such an amazing experience making rings
It
together.
was so fascinating.
I've wanted to do it for the longest time, so it was just so cool, and I absolutely love ours. They're slightly unique, not the design we chose. We completely went off the design.
It's basically our design.
very unique. It's unique to us because we completely butchered the design, but oh well, it's an experience, and it was amazing. The people next to us even got engaged. The guy
someone
just got on his
proposed.
knee and proposed. I was like, Sana all.
I'm joking.
Oof.
But anyway, guys, we're gonna end the video here, so make sure to like,
Share.
subscribe,
Leave a comment down below,
press that notification bell on.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.